First Speed Trail. I'll get clearance from the tower. Fort Lauderdale Tower, and this is Mike Kilo 1107 Heavy, requesting clearance for takeoff on runway 27. Over. Copy that. All right, now that we have our clearance, how many of you guys want to go fast? Well, that was kind of weak. How many of you guys really want to go fast? Now that's what I wanted to hear. All right, tray table seat backs in their upright and locked positions.